Are you planning to sell your home on the horizon, but don't know how to prep your home for top dollar? I'm Shelley with the Holz Group at Keller Williams Select, and I'm inviting you to join us for a home prep, staging, and selling workshop on March 20th at 5:30 p.m. During this full information-packed workshop, you are going to learn all the top things and top tricks to get you top dollar. We're also going to talk about pre-inspection items and or maintenance items that could save you money on pre-inspecting the property, so that way in negotiations you're protecting your hard-earned home equity. We're also going to talk about top trends for today's market so you can be in the know on what buyers are looking for in today's trends to make sure you get top dollar. So register in the link below. Save your spot because spots are limited to learn all of the ways to prepare your home, stage your home, and be ready to get top dollar in today's market.